Today we're talking about how to train your hair. So you want your hair to go over one direction. How do you actually go about doing that? Well, most of the time you're born with a natural parting, whether it's on the side, whether it's in the middle, this side, wherever it is. Everybody has somewhat of a natural parting of where their hair wants to fall on its own. But if you want to train your hair to go in the same spot every single time, one, it's going to take a lot of being consistent and repetitive of doing the same thing over and over and over again. The next most important thing is how you're actually going to manipulate and work the hair so that it falls into that place over and over and over again, which means you're going to have to put some work into training your hair. It's like training for a marathon. You have to actually prep for it. So you have to prepare your hair and keep doing the same thing over and over and over again so your hair just becomes used to it. All right, let's just say this, for example, hair goes over this way. So you've got the side parting, which would be a natural parting. Now, let's say you want to start to train it to go the opposite way, which may be a bit challenging, may not always work, but what you're going to need is some sort of brush like this, right? A vent brush. I sell these on my website, shop.thesalonguy.com. You're going to need a blow dryer. You're going to need, maybe potentially a round brush, but let's just say you want to go the opposite side. First thing you need to do, and I suggest doing this first on kind of damp hair so it's easier to comb through, or freshly cleaned hair so that there's no knots or anything that you can easily brush through your hair. The first thing you want to do is look and see what the hair looks like. All right, look and see what the hair looks like before you actually do anything. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Like, are you comfortable with it? Okay, because all of these things really are going to play a big factor in how you are styling your hair. Next thing is that you're going to find out is you're going to see the hair wants to come back over this way. So you may have some issues at first with the hair wanting to spring back to where it was before. Here is where you start to train the hair, where every time you start styling your hair from this moment on, you have to blow dry it over this way and keep working it in that direction. The best way to do that is to use the blow dryer, which I sell on my website, shop.thesalonguy.com, and also this vent brush. And what you need to do is when your hair is wet, you need to blow dry and almost like you're ironing in the parting to go this way. You're not singeing your hair, you're not letting the blow dryer or the nozzle sit like this for like an hour, because you will burn yourself, you'll hurt yourself, your scalp, and you'll fry your hair. Instead, what you need to do is really just more manipulate lightly and let the heat kind of with the brush work the hair over. All right, and then over time what's going to happen is you're going to start to train your hair to where you get to the point where, oh wow, look, the hair actually is all the way over this way, and it's going to stay this way a lot easier than how you had it before. Again, find a reason why you want to do this. You want to experiment. It's going to take some time, but that's how you go about training your hair. So let me know if you've tried this, if it worked for you. Any tips for everyone else who's watching? Shop.thesalonguy.com, code YouTube20. That's YouTube20. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.